Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. Landlords, we are back with Umkhokha the Curse, and I want us to start Ngonobuntu. Unobuntu, guys, is just, she just feels the need to apologize all the time. But I think ukuthi lento yokuthi wathathelwa uSiphamandla, she puts it too much in her head and she uses as an excuse for everything now. But she is saying the reason why she went for Menga, it's because she needed to be felt and she needed to feel special and therefore that's why she is here. But it looks like uPhakathwayo une soft spot and uyayizwa indaba. Will uPhakathwayo completely forgive Unobuntu? That's a story for another day. But uMabusi yena is struggling to forgive uMamZobe, and deep down she is happy ukuthi uMamZobe was dubulat, and because of that for her it is a win, right? But the problem is, as umfazi kaMkhululi, as the wife of the healer of Christ Light, she needs to forgive unconditionally. So Nogubonga was able to explain to her, "Hi girl, unfortunately you need to forgive, unfortunately you need to fall in line, unfortunately you need to understand ukuthi as uMamkhululi you need to do the right thing and forgive at all times, no matter how hard it is." And then uManzimande also supported that statement. Ukhulekani, on the other hand, Ukai was playing hide and seek with they say they've got spiritual fathers. I'll say this was the spiritual father as well. So now, because the spiritual father wants to know, I'm literally Nomkhosi's dad even called Unomkhosi to ask, "Where's your husband? What's happening? Your husband was supposed to be in a flight to America, all expenses paid. These people paid a lot of money for him to be there and to preach the word of Jesus Christ, but Ugai did not preach. And Ugai sega umujudia opelele or right up or sharp. Like Ukhulekani even went to the room lebakhuleka kuyo and said to Umvelase ukuthi, "I am sorry for not bringing untuthuko kuwe ngesikhathi and everything." Hey, ngithi ukhulekani like umjudi ophelele guyzini, like full flesh. All right, uZamqolo decides to call a meeting, right? In the meeting that uZamqolo has called, he was just announcing to the other council members that were not there when Khulekani was baptized ukuthi hayi ukhulekani seka this side seka wonke amajudiya awahlanga. Ngithi ukhulekani ungenile full force, guys. 0 for Christ movement, 1 for amajudiya. With that said, ukhulekani angene ahlale etafuleni bam introduce, and then uNdlovu was so happy, right? Ebu happy bakhe uNdlovu, the bubble was burst. Bamtshela ukuthi hayi guy bona brega njengoba ukhulekani angenile nje full force, by fire, by force, by everything. Please note that he is going to be the next in charge. He is going to be my hand. He's going to be isigela lam. Wabuza wathi uwazini lo, because yimi insila kaMkhululi lo number 1 ongazi ukuthi kumele kufake ijazi excuse me, oze nje ngeskipa. Like, please clarify. He does not even know the protocol of art of dressing. When you come to the council, he cannot be, he will never be. He was not happy, he was not impressed. But uNdlovu has been demoted. uNdlovu is no longer umkhululi. Yebo injalo. So thina sizoza la kusasa soyibona ukuthi uyithatha kanjani le ndaba leyo. But on that note, please do like, share and subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.